Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a scatter chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert a scatter chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer or PC, just going to show. So first of all, just going to select a class data. So then click on the insert option. And here you just want to click on the chart option. Click on the chart option. So now you just have a different type of category on the sidewise. You just need to change to the XY scatter. So here you can find a lot of different type of scatter charts. So you can just use it for free. So I just going to choose this chart. So mostly we just used. Click on the use option. So it automatically insert the chart here. You can just move the chart wherever you just want to place. Then you just need to click on the side option. Here you can just change the different layout of the things, like if you just need more details like this, and like this. So I just going to choose this normal data. So okay, we just choose this option. Then next, this was a color option. You can just choose the color of the things here, and also the style can be choose like this. So you can see this have a glow line, and this is have a normal line with a gradient background. So I'm just going to choose a glow line. If you just need a more customization, just click on this setting option and just can use solid fill, gradient fill, and picture. You can just use picture also as a background. You can adjust your transparency and also the line effects and size and position, everything like a shadow, glow effect, everything. So this is how you just insert a scatter chart on your WPS spreadsheet on your computer. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.